Alright, this video is going to be about adding image galleries to your mycliq pages. Now, in the previous image gallery tab, I showed you how to actually upload images to your account that can be used across all of your different pages, but let's actually show you how you can add them to your page. So you're going to go ahead and click the edit button here to edit an existing mycliq page. You'll notice that I have a photos icon here. Right now, it doesn't do anything. So let's find this in the link builder. Okay, I found my photos link here. I'm going to click enable subpage, and then I'm going to click enable image gallery. Now you'll notice a couple different options here. What you can do is go ahead and click add images, and this will bring up all of the images that you have saved to your image gallery. Now, I'll just add a few of them, maybe this one, 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 and this one. We'll add 9 images. I'll click add 9 images. And what that will do is now when users click on the photos gallery, you'll notice that all of the images are displayed in a row vertically. Now you can actually change the gallery layout to be a Masonry, which is more of like a blog feed. So go ahead and click this here. And you can see that it now displays like a feed. This is personally my favorite option. There are a couple other options like carousel and single image. By the time you're watching this, some of the options may be different, but this is what a carousel will look like. And this will allow you to stack multiple carousels. And then lastly, if you just want to use one image, you can just click the single image, and then I'll go ahead and manage these images or move them all, and I'll just add one image. And then what that will do is it'll just display one image here. So you can get creative with how you want to do this. I highly suggest using the Masonry layout to show multiple photos. Make sure you go ahead and save changes on your page before you try to view them live.